As predicted yesterday, both gold and silver traded with a drop. However, both have seen a very strong support at 1910 and $24 levels. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And please press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next analysis. The next update on gold will be released 12 hours from now before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and trade as per the levels. Now, these are the early charts: 1930 first resistance, 1920 next resistance. So, this is very clear. I will recommend you to buy only and only if you see gold trading above 1922 levels, beyond which again 1930, 1940 levels can be expected. That is the first part. Now, second part, it is getting the support here at 1910, and this is giving it a very strong support. So once it breaches below, I will be looking forward to this time 1905 and 1900. Now see, 1900, which was the resistance earlier, now is going to be a very good support, and below that further drop can be expected. Now let's look further into detail. Directional movement here is bearish on the early charts. Stochastic has seen a vertical fall and now is trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking down. Now see, what I told you day before and in my weekly analysis also, that see, the downward movement is not sharp enough because it is still in the bullish zone, but this downward movement is mandatory in order to just cool down the indicators which are running overbought. So as we analyzed yesterday in my weekly analysis also, that hourly, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour time frame, everything was overbought, and hence gold has seen this drop and is still trying to trade further bearish, possibly such that it can further cool down on the indicators. Now also on the 2 hour chart, see first red candle, second red candle taking the support from 1910. Possibly once it breaches below, you can expect a sharper trip till towards 1905 and 1900 levels. Now see this, it is trading below 20 period moving average. See, when it was bullish, it was trading with a divergence in the 20 period moving average. Now after long, it is trying to trade below this. So certainly little more bearishness can be expected, and once it trades below 1908, you can sell for 19045 and then 1900 levels, and further below those levels can also be expected. For the downward movement below those levels can also be expected. Directional movement here is looking forward to a bearish crossover. Stochastic is now looking down again. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down here. Similar observation on the 3 hour charts. One downward move, retracement or consolidation, second downward move. So this is the second wave. If you connect the dots here, you will find that the possibility of it to achieve 1900 level exists. So once it sustains below 1908, the possibility for it to achieve 1900 will be high here. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking down again. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It has still got a lot much to cover on the downside. RSI has comfortable now. RSI is trading in comfortable zone now. And also look at the 4 hour chart. One red candle, consolidation, second red candle. Probably this is the first red candle after consolidation, and from here it may probably try to attempt and achieve 1900 in the coming candles. That is my expectation. In fact, it can try to breach till towards 1895 or 1890 levels. Directional movement is moderately bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic, which was running overbought, has cooled down a bit and now trading near to the bottom. But look at the MACD, this has just crossed over. This is divergent, this is bearish, this is increasing in size. Probably there are couple or more candles which we can see here trading bearish. RSI were overbought and now has comfortably come down. So this I was talking about, that it is most of the indicators in yesterday's analysis were running overbought, and hence possibility of a drop was there, and it has dropped since then. Now look at the daily chart. See, yesterday's candle was a candle of swing. Now if you can see here, 1905 levels are certainly achievable today. And see, 1920 is the only level beyond which I will recommend you to buy. Below 1908 you can sell for 1905 and 1900. It can complete the journey till here. Possibility exists that it can be a bearish day for gold. Directional movement is extremely bullish. It can converge. Stochastic, which was running overbought, now looking downwards. Today possibly it may try to take it further down. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, and the RSI, which was overbought, can possibly come into comfortable zone. Hence, only buy position today is above 1920 and sell position below 1908. Target should be 1905, 1900, and below that. Further bearishness can bring it till towards 1890 levels, though I don't think so that a sharp dip can be seen. But yes, 1890, 1895 are achievable levels for this week. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch going to start in first week of February. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver. See the highs here at 2450, 2455 levels. Again provided it a very strong resistance. Retracement, drop, retracement. Now again looking downward. So $24 levels certainly be a good support. Then 2390 and 2380. These two levels, in fact, till 2360, it has got very strong support. So it has to come down below 2360 in order to trade bearish. Right now, it is looking downwards on the hourly charts. Probably once it trades below 2410, yes, you can sell there below 2410 and expect $24, then 2390, 2380 levels to be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a vertical dip. It is trading near to the bottom. MACD bearish. RSI looking down here. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similar is the formation: reversal, drop, retracement, drop. So it is trying to trade in this. And see ABC, and probably now looking at 2380 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic dropping from the highs. The MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking down. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, drop, retracement, same pattern is observed here. And possibly we are looking at 2390, 2380 levels. So you can sell at 2410. Expect it to drop for $24, 2390, 2380, but you need to trade with a stop loss. At the same time, only buy opportunity, again I will recommend, is above 2440 levels, beyond which you can remain bullish. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic looking down again. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bearish, this is the second red candle. RSI looking down. And on the 4-hour charts too, similar observation. I'll wait for the next candle where it might take it till towards 2390, 2380 levels. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Crossover for a sell. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. I will wait for the next candle where it can take it on the sell side, where it can give it a sharper drop so that it can trade bearish from there. RSI looking downwards, indicating bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. See, this is a long-term trend line which silver failed to breach and sustain again on the upside, and also it has shown a good swing. So now if it continues to trade below 2410, you can expect $24, 2390, in fact 2380 levels can be expected, which is going to be a very good support there. So yes, you can sell there. Expect $24 as a very good support. So 24 plus minus 0.1 is something which is going to give it a good support zone. Directional movement on the daily charts is bearish. Stochastic is overbought and now looking downwards. The MACD is bearish. It is on the verge of a crossover, failing to do so right now. RSI looking down again. Considering this, you can sell at 2410, buy at 2440. And remember, these are markets, neither yours nor mine. Markets are always supreme, and hence be ready for the swing also. If it trades about 2440, you can expect another round of bullish move, though I will expect it to drop a little before it tries to rise, and hence 2390, 2380 levels in my expectation are achievable before it looks over to another round of rally. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.